What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to give y'all a quick Dollar Tree haul for my upcoming DIYs that I will have the following Sundays. So this technically is not a real video. Your real video would be Thursday. It's Halloween on Thursday. Whenever Halloween is, that's when your real video would be. Okay, guys? I'm going to actually be reviewing one of these products. But I just wanted to still give y'all something here on Sunday and let y'all know, tune in on Halloween, whatever day that is. I don't know if that's Wednesday or Thursday. Okay? Wednesday or Thursday, Halloween, y'all. Okay, cool. First item that I want to haul is this white candle. It's just a plain white candle, guys. And I am going to be doing a DIY with this candle. And I want to say, you can get any candle, but it has to not be fragrance. So this candle is just straight wax. So I'm assuming you use it, you know, I'm here in Houston, Texas, probably like for hurricane season. So if your lights go out, you can holler at this candle and you're not wasting, you know, a nice scented candle. You just need it for a light source. So I thought it was a pretty good deal for $1. And you get this nice glass container that goes in it. You already know I like stuff that's multi-purposes. So once the candle gone, I can still use the container. Booyah. So it's just a plain white candle. My second DIY booyah haul thing is this fragrance oil. Not necessarily an essential oil, because you already know it's at the Dollar Tree. You know, essential oils usually cost you at least almost dang $10. I might be exaggerating a little bit, but they not cheap, okay? But nonetheless, it's a fragrant oil, and what is it? It's 0.5. Y'all seen it or whatever. And they have I think 4 fragrance that comes in these little scented oils. But I wanted to kind of stick with a fall Christmassy season. So I got the apple cinnamon. And to me, it smells good. It's not that potent. Like, the scent ain't that strong, but it's strong enough. So once again, it's going to be part of a DIY. So, booyah. My second item is this small little Wreath thingamajiggy. What you call these things? Y'all already know. A Wreath thingamajiggy. Let's roll with that, okay? Because I don't remember the technical name for it. Okay, thanks. So anyway, I haven't seen this size before at Dollar Tree, and I thought it was too cute. Now, I think it should be 50 cents. Keep it all the way 100 with you guys. But I used my Dollar Tree gift card that I received for my birthday. Thank you, Aunt Jeanette. And so I'm like, hey, if it was my own dollar, which technically it is still my own dollar, but since it's gifty, you know, like do kind of crazy stuff with your gift cards, at least that's how I see it. I went on and hollered at it, and it was the only one I saw there. And you already know how that goes. When you see something and you want it, go ahead and holler at it and get it, because when you go back, it's going to be gone. So, ouch, that hurt. I'm gonna do a quick DIY with this as well. And I'll try to do a little something different. We'll see. But I got this cute little wreath. I think it's so cute. Wreath. You know, the thingamajiggy. And the last item that I purchased yesterday was this temporary purple hair dye. Yes, y'all. Hair dye. Now, I've never used this before. I pray to God, do not take my hair out. God is good. So yeah, actually this is the item I will be reviewing on Halloween, okay, whichever day that is, Wednesday or Thursday. So I want y'all to check back and see how this product actually is applied, so on and so forth. So then I'll give you more details on how the contents look inside the package. But y'all want y'all to come back, and I'm not gonna reveal it all to you guys. So anyway, this will be the item that I review, because we do get to dress up at my job, which I am excited. And So y'all be seeing that how this comes out or whatever. So come back on Halloween. So that is the end of my haul. I know that was quick and simple, like I told y'all, whatever. But this is more like a filler, what you call it, video, and to give y'all an informative video, kind of like a commercial in a sense. So come back on Halloween, see how this dye do in this hair, and see the remaining of my whatever choice of what my clothing, my outfit of the day. Hey, y'all don't get what? An outfit of the day, a review, and a semi like DIY. Come on, y'all. Y'all better come back, okay? I would like for you to come back. I'm not gonna be rude. So anyway, guys, thank you as always for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. And also leave in the comments what y'all gonna be for Halloween, okay? What are y'all gonna do? Do y'all have plans? So I would like to know, because why? I'm nosy, all right? So anyway, I see you guys on Halloween.